On 12th of July 2022, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma chaired a meeting of the group of ministers on casinos, racecourses and online gaming in the presence of stakeholders to listen to their concerns and opinions. In order to arrive at a consensus, the government will involve the Law Committee and other committees to look into the legal aspect. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Conrad Sangma informed that stakeholders have been asked to submit their respective presentations so things can be taken up in the right perspective so as to come to a conclusion on the matter. Sangma also informed that the government will be physically meeting all stakeholders before submission of the final report to Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman.
And by the Honorable Finance Minister to go back into the details and do a bit more, get more inputs and see and review the entire thing. So that's what we did today. So it's a process, and Honorable Finance Minister has told us that the time has been extended from August 15th to July 15th to August 10th now. So we have another 20-25 days. So we decided that after certain facts were presented by the stakeholders, we have decided that we will give a bit more time to analyze the entire situation and see if the facts presented have any kind of legal standing, and only after that we'll be able to take a call. So we felt strongly that since we have been asked by the GST Council to go into it again, and since we do have some time, we will not simply jump to a conclusion. We will give ample time. We will hear out everybody so that all angles and all sides can be incorporated. So we'll see how it goes, but we did not take a decision. We just had the stakeholders give their presentation to us.
On the recent crackdown on drug peddlers, Conrad Sangma informed that the state government has directed the Home and Police departments to strengthen their efforts towards curbing the menace of drugs in the entire state of Meghalaya.
Yeah, as you must be recalling that about a month, 2 months back, we had a meeting on this entire drug issue. And apart from the fact that all these days and months, a lot of crackdown has been there, but specific instructions have been given from the government to the Home Minister Department and to the police that all out efforts should be made to ensure that this menace of drug is put under control, and all the people who are involved in it must be caught. And that's what is happening, and you must be seeing that continuously this effort is being made, and the police is doing a tremendous job, and they'll continue to do that. And I congratulate the Home and the Police Department for the kind of work they do.
While addressing media persons, the Chief Minister also informed that a meeting of all members of the MDA government will be held so as to discuss on the upcoming presidential elections. On the action to be taken against South Shillong MLA, Conrad Sangma said that if need be, the matter will be discussed during the MDA meeting.